Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Purina 1 cat food chicken is probably one of the most popular and trusted choices for cat owners seeking high-quality nutrition for their feline companions, offering a delicious chicken flavor that cats adore while providing essential nutrients to support their overall health and vitality, making it a go-to option for many seeking a balanced and satisfying meal for their beloved pets. Number 5. Purina 1 Natural Hairball Control Cat Food. Introducing Purina 1 Natural Cat Food, specifically designed for hairball control. Our unique formula helps manage hairballs effectively. This natural adult dry cat food features a fiber-rich blend. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to support her overall health. Easily digestible, it contains a smart blend of high-quality ingredients. Four antioxidant sources are included to boost her immune system. Real chicken is the primary ingredient in this high-protein recipe. It helps build strong muscles and supports a healthy heart. The crunchy kibble provides a satisfying texture cats love. Added calcium helps maintain her strong teeth and healthy gums. This great-tasting chicken kibble is crafted in Purina-owned U.S. facilities. It contains no artificial flavors or preservatives. What we like. This formula is designed to help manage hairballs with its natural fiber blend. If your cat struggles with hairballs or you're looking for a way to reduce them, this is a great choice. It's made with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, ensuring a taste your cat will love while supporting their overall health. What people say. It keeps her fur balls away. Great for fur and hairball relief. Her fur started to get soft and silky again. When I brush her now she doesn't shed much at all. Number 4. Purina 1 Chicken Recipe Wet Cat Food. Fuel your feline's adventures with high-protein nutrition. Made with real chicken, it's designed to support strong muscles for all their playful moments. This natural formula provides complete and balanced nutrition for every stage of their life. Every ingredient serves a purpose, with zero fillers. Keep your cat happily hydrated with our moisture-rich wet food formula. It's a delicious way to ensure they get the fluids they need. Promote a radiant appearance with our carefully crafted wet cat food. It helps support the health and shine of their skin and coat. Trust the expertise of veterinarians. This tender, gravy-filled food is recommended by vets for its quality and taste. Stock up and save with this convenient pack of 24 pull-top cans, ensuring your cat always has their favorite meal ready. What we like. This wet food offers high protein content to support strong muscles and is made with real chicken. If you're looking for a convenient, veterinarian-recommended wet food that provides complete and balanced nutrition for cats of all ages, this is an excellent option. The savory gravy also helps with hydration. What people say. It does not make them sick. It arrived in a securely packed case of 24 3-ounce cans, easy to open and portion out. The flavor must be good because they both give me some nice ASMR when lapping this up. It's a brand I trust, does not upset their stomachs. The quality of ingredients is very good for its price range. They have a nice healthy coat and seem to be doing well on this food. Number 3. Purina 1 Senior Grain-Free Wet Cat Food. Give your feline friend the best nutrition designed specifically for their golden years. Our formula supports their health from age 7 and up. Crafted with real chicken as the first ingredient, complemented by ocean fish. This high-protein meal supports strong muscles and a healthy heart. You can trust quality and formulation. It's a choice recommended by veterinarians for senior cats. Enriched with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It provides complete and balanced nutrition for your beloved pet. Every ingredient serves a purpose, ensuring your cat receives optimal nourishment. There are absolutely no fillers in this grain-free recipe. Help your cat maintain their vitality and well-being as they age. This food is designed to support a vibrant maturity. What we like. Specifically formulated for cats aged 7 and older, this senior Pate supports their unique nutritional needs. If you have a senior cat and are looking for a grain-free, high-protein option with real chicken and ocean fish, this is the perfect choice. It provides essential nutrients for their continued health and vitality. What people say. Excellent cats love it. They clean their plates. A healthy wet food that my cat licks her plate clean. My Maine Coon loves it. Eats one small serving each day. Number 2. Purina 1 Grain-Free Senior Pate. Introducing Purina 1 Grain-Free Senior Pate, specifically formulated for cats aged 7 and above. It's veterinarian recommended to support their vibrant maturity. This delicious recipe features chicken and ocean whitefish, made with natural ingredients and essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. It's a taste your cat will love. With real meat as the #1 ingredient, this high-protein formula satisfies your cat's carnivorous needs. It provides the energy they need to thrive. Our grain-free pate contains no corn, wheat, potatoes, or soy. The moisture-rich texture also helps promote healthy hydration for your feline friend. Give your senior cat the best nutrition for their golden years. This wet food is designed to keep them active and healthy. Spoil your pet with Purina products and earn rewards. Download the My Purina app today to get points on every purchase. What we like. This veterinarian-recommended senior formula is crafted to meet the specific needs of cats 7 and older, featuring a high-protein blend of chicken and ocean whitefish. If you're seeking a grain-free wet food that provides essential nutrients and a taste your senior cat will enjoy, this is an ideal selection. It supports their carnivore needs and promotes healthy hydration. What people say. We have a senior cat and finding a pate is challenging. My cat likes this brand and their flavors. We even saw a healthier change in his coat after being on this food for several months. My cat likes this brand and their flavors. We even saw a healthier change in his coat after being on this food for several months. Number 1. Purina 1 Natural Grain-Free Chicken Pate. Crafted with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, this wet food provides high-quality protein to support your cat's strong muscles. It's naturally formulated with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients for complete and balanced nutrition. You can be confident that every ingredient serves a purpose, with zero fillers. The moisture-rich pate and savory gravy in this formula help support your cat's healthy hydration levels. This grain-free wet food is made by veterinarian-recommended Purina 1, ensuring quality and care in every bite. This formula is designed to promote healthy skin and a beautiful coat. Plus, antioxidants are included to help support a strong immune system. What we like. This grain-free wet food pate is made with real chicken as the #1 ingredient, providing high-quality protein for strong muscles. If you are looking for a natural, veterinarian-recommended option that supports healthy skin and coat, as well as a strong immune system, this is an excellent choice. Its moisture-rich formula also aids in hydration. What people say. Super good option for older cats or sick ones. I got it for my cat who had cancer and she loved it and it was easier on her stomach to digest. My cat loves this flavor. The cans are just the right size for one meal, and we give her 2 a day. She has a sensitive stomach and she tolerated this with not issues. I have reordered another case. My picky eater really likes this food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.